Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
Today we're making crustless quiches, or frittatas.
Frittata.
That sounds frittata. But we're going to make two. You're doing a?
I'm going to do a meat and cheese one with just a little bit of onion.
And I'll do a veggie one with a few of our different vegetables. We're going to start with our scrambled egg mix, and honestly, this is one of my favorite things. Well, you take 2 tablespoons of the egg powder and 3 tablespoons of water. You mix that together, that makes 1 egg. I've done mayonnaise with this, make mayonnaise with it, and I've done eggnog, and you could bake with it or cook with it like we are today.
That's what I was going to say.
Oh, sorry, I took
No,
it right out of your mouth.
That's perfect, because it's a multi-purpose scrambled eggs. Just because it says scrambled doesn't mean that's all you have to use it for.
And we're not going to measure today because we've done this a bunch, so we don't want to measure, but we told you the measurements, and the measurements are on the cans, so you can go from there.
Okay, before we get started, I'm just going to refresh a little bit of meat, and this one here is the sausage crumble. I like that, and it's only a 1 serve, okay? So that's what we're doing, a 1 serve today. And I am going to put a little bit of onion because that always adds to the flavor. And I'm gonna just refresh that with a little bit of warm water and a teeny bit of seasoning. Whoa, that was a little bit more than anticipated. Okay.
It'll be used with the rest of the stuff.
And I'm just going to, I'm gonna keep it warm.
Okay. And then I'll get started with mine. I start with the scrambled egg mix. So I just put in enough for the single serve. I'll add some onions and some cheese and some green onions and some peppers. I'm just going to break it up.
Those are beautiful.
This is my Thrive chopping. No knife required. And one more. And some spinach. Some mushrooms. And some green chilies. I love a little bit of spice in there, but they're really not super spicy. And then I will add the chef's choice. And I will let this sit for just a minute because the water will refresh everything that's in there. I added a little extra water just to compensate for that refreshing of all the vegetables.
Okay, so now I'm going to actually mix up my eggs. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And I'm just gonna mix up my egg.
These are our 2 frittatas that we will now bake for
350 for about 10-15 minutes. So this is our finished product.
We just pulled them out of the oven. They're hot and ready to go. And from here, we can enjoy.
And they're great this size because they're a 1 serve, which is super handy. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so now. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new video.
And just so you know, you can take these and freeze them as well. Pull them out of the freezer whenever you need them. They freeze really well, and use them at any time. So give us a thumbs up, and
remember,
you can do this too.